I have this idea of making a multiple block ice sculpture. And this sculpture to be about 10 feet tall, about 5.5 feet wide diameter, and it'll be somewhat of a cone shape. This structure is going to be, we're going to build it so it's going to be hollow in the inside. And I'm estimated at about 26 blocks of ice. Each block of ice is around 300 pounds. I have to make them all myself, which is a lot of work. Boom! All of these ice blocks in here. This is going to be for the Winter Lights Festival project. I have spent probably about a month creating all of this ice. Right now I have pretty much the exact number of ice that I need for this project. And you can see it filled my freezer up, right? My freezer is stuffed. So now the next thing I got to do is that these ones that I pulled out are too thick. I got these layers of white ice on them, so I am going to start trimming them down. It's so cold, it's sticky. Ugh. Alright guys, I got a lot of them trimmed, but right now we've got 26 blocks in there. This is the expected amount of blocks that we are going to need to create this huge project for the Winter Lights Festival. So yeah, please stay tuned. We're going to keep working on this project. I'm going to keep sharing some videos so you can check out the process of how we're going to make this. But yeah,